Some days we all seem to have a really big problem. And that really big problem sometimes isn't other people. It isn't necessarily your supervisor or your clients or anything that is external. Sometimes the problem or the thing that you need to address is internal. What am I saying? Sometimes, all jokes aside, we just need to get out of our own way. We just need to stop letting things that matter least take over for things that matter most. We need to focus on the things that we need to focus on so that we can move forward and get the task done, get the job done. And one of those things is your health. Another is, of course, communication with your family and loved ones, and the things that are truly important. We go to work every day and we spend 8 hours a day in that work environment, doing somebody else's bidding, helping somebody else reach their goals. Sometimes you need to step back, get out of your own way, and start working on your goals, your dreams, and also including the people that you hold dear in mind as you do these things. And include them. Again, what are you working for? At the end of the day, if the business is successful, it's going to be there after you're gone. At the end of the day, whatever is a problem, that problem is going to be there until somebody takes care of it. It may not be that you need to take care of it today. Maybe you need to take care of it a little later. Or maybe you need to get right to it and stop procrastinating on what it is that you do need to focus on. Only you know the answer to that question. But again, one of the things that we all need to do is find time and make time to get out of our own way as we move forward to live our dreams and reach our goals. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Have a great day.